ClickMagick Honest Review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing ClickMagick, which is one of the top link tracking and conversion attribution tools. I'll break down pricing, features, pros and cons, and who should really consider it. So let's jump right in. What exactly is ClickMagick? Well, this is a powerful marketing tool designed to track and optimize and improve your advertising campaigns through advanced link tracking, conversion attribution, and real-time reporting. It's built for affiliate marketers, e-commerce stores, and digital marketers looking to maximize ROI. Now, ClickMagick offers three primary pricing plans. They have a starter, standard, and pro. Within the starter version, they have 10,000 visitors per month, their true tracking platform, real-time stats, one team member, one website or e-com site, a Shopify companion app, and basic bot filtering. And they have basic online support. Their standard at $169 per month includes 100K visitors per month, 5 websites, 2 additional team members, and 1 year of data retention. This also includes auto cost updates, audience optimization, bot and click fraud protection, cross-device tracking recurring revenue, and advanced attribution models. So this is honestly the plan that I recommend, and if you want to get started for free, make sure to click on the link provided in the description box down below to get started with the best trial. Then they also have the pro version at $299, which has unlimited members, ad counts, websites, and over 1 million visitors per month. So both are pretty amazing. And the starter plan is slightly limiting for those that are looking for a true all-in-one platform, because it's not going to include bot and click fraud protection as well as audience optimization and custom domain tracking. Now, what other features should you be looking out for? Well, other than pricing, ClickMagick has removed annual billing options temporarily, so for now it's only monthly billing, and you can get a free trial as well by clicking on the link provided in the description. Now they have real-time click and conversion tracking, where you can see exactly where your clicks are coming from and what users are going to be doing to get those clicks, what actions they're taking. And what exactly is their true tracking technology? Well, it filters out any fraudulent clicks and bots to give you clean data. They also have funnel tracking, where you can track users through your sales funnel to identify any drop-off points. You also have link rotators and cloaking, where you can rotate traffic evenly across multiple different links and cloak URLs to improve your CTR and tracking. You also have split testing. A/B testing land paging offers you to boost conversion, and this is what your ClickMagick dashboard is going to look like. It's pretty easy to navigate. You can click on campaigns and tracking links. Here you can add your questions, refer friends. They may have their own referral with audience optimization, recent conversions, your stats at a glance, including your clicks, actions, engaged, sales, revenue, cost, refunds, and profit. And on the top right, you can define the timeline and view any specific campaign or tracking link, which makes everything really easy to navigate to. Not only that, but they also have affiliate link management and custom tracking domains on their standard and pro plans, where you can use branded domains for better trust and deliverability. They also have team collaboration, where you can add different team members on their premium plans, and API access, where you can connect with platforms like Shopify, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and email marketing. So what are the pros and cons? Because sure, the basic features are great, but are the stats and reporting really so innovative that they're going to help you in being able to earn more? Now, when it comes to the pros, this is an extremely accurate click fraud detection and filtering system. They have easy setups even for complex funnels with great support documentation. They have robust A/B testing, a transparent real-time reporting that helps you in optimizing ad campaigns, and they have regular updates. However, the cons include the pricing, which can be slightly on the higher side for smaller businesses or beginners. And there is no discounted pricing on annual billing available. And the starter plan is slightly limited, but overall, the pricing is something that it has to be the major con. Other than that, this platform is very accurate and dead on with the results that it is providing. Now, who are the ideal users for this platform? Well, ClickMagick is best suited for affiliate marketers needing advanced tracking and fraud protection, digital marketing agencies managing multiple clients and campaigns, e-commerce businesses wanting to optimize their ad spend and track granular funnel data, marketing teams needing multi-user collaboration and advanced reporting. But this might not be ideal for you if you're just starting out and you have a really limited budget. So, ClickMagick remains one of the top ad tracking platforms thanks to its accuracy, powerful features, and fraud filtering. While pricing is slightly high, it's a robust tool that pays off for serious marketers and agencies looking to optimize. So, if you want deep analytics, reliable tracking, and smart optimization, ClickMagick is definitely worth considering. So, click on the link provided in the description box down below to get started today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave your questions or experiences in the comments down below.